The Maverick cannot allow this period to pass without mentioning the exploits of King LeBron James in the NBA so far this season. The 17-year veteran, now 35 years old, has piloted the Lakers to a league-leading record. And in the process, he averages 25 points, 7 rebounds, and 10 assists per game. And I remember at the start of the season predicting that LeBron is going to have a monster season for 2 specific reasons. Now, first of all, he had a longer rest than usual in the offseason due to the injury that basically caused him and the Lakers to miss the playoffs. So he was well rested coming into this season. I also thought that LeBron would be very motivated after so many people were writing him off as over the hill and past his best, going even as far as to name LeBron's successor as Kawhi Leonard. So the man had an injury-hit season and everybody write him off. I feel them diss LeBron James, and it is obvious the man felt disrespected as well. And of course, there is the small matter of LeBron needing another ring or 2 or 3 to seal up his legacy. You see, anyhow LeBron James and Anthony Davis remain healthy, a Lakers my money in the pot. Uno should have never diss the king.